All right, so this is another episode of this series. I think we're already at about 1,000 calories, I guess. Where does it go? To the glutes or maybe to the biceps?
I hope so. Let's hope.
From these products you have here, you need to watch the previous part because there's probably one that's top of the top.
Yeah, a chosen one.
For me, since we didn't say that, this category is honestly a real hit. But we're not revealing what we have another 14 food items products really. Kuzichu picks without looking, I pick, we eat, and tell you what's worth buying at Ikea and what's not.
Oh, look, this is a little heart for you.
If there's chocolate inside,
That's awesome.
this will be good. If it's something else, it'll be crap.
Oh, hey, it looks great, honestly. Hey,
I didn't expect that. You can't tell from the packaging.
it's like a Swedish Oreo. It's good and looks nice.
You think it's one way or another, but they didn't show how much chocolate there is.
Look how nice this allegory of life is. When you have love, you also have luck because of the clover.
Look how much chocolate there is here. This wafer looks promising. I mean, this cookie looks good.
All right, let's eat them.
You know what? There's both everything and nothing here for me. There's sugar, but the chocolate isn't impressive. This one's light, that one's dark. Together, they don't offer much flavor. When I saw this, I really booked it on booking.com. I'm going to illustrate it just like Krishu. Nice apartment. I found a cheap flight. I'm really happy. But I fucking missed the train and didn't make it to the airport. You know what I mean? Well, whatever.
Because I'll tell you my story. My story is from the 90s. Suppose we're in Łódź. I've never been there. I'm walking hand in hand with my mom. There are different things in the shop windows, and there are sweets. And I look at it, and you know what kind of vibe it gives me? A mulatka kind of vibe. I'm holding my mom's hand and say, Mom, buy me that mulatka behind the glass, in the wrapper. And that's the thing, it's not the king among chocolates, but I keep coming back to it out of nostalgia. And I say, damn, I know it wasn't the best, but I'll go back to it. And that's the point.
For me, on a scale from 1 to 10, it's a 4 and I won't buy it.
Thanks. Oh, you're already being harsh.
If I take off the filling and the filling is tasty, then I'll give it a 5.
Do you want me to try it too?
Of course. Look, a little slice like this, yeah. Is this chocolate? Yes.
Oh no, seriously? Nothing. I feel so sorry. No, the chocolate filling is bland and tasteless.
No, come on, give it to me. Sugar cookie.
Well, but the cookie is better than chocolate.
The cookie is better than chocolate. I don't take it, you take it. That's the point. It's about those first impressions. Now it's my turn to draw. Elderflower flavored soda. Would you think that elderflower is white yellow? 2.3 grams of sugar.
Like champagne.
Yes, kind of. He assumed that would be viewers.
Hey,
It's kind of like Grzeszki, a bit like flat 7-Up Dam.
do you feel like the drop was because of this? I mean, Zoe? Wait, did you find this out?
But I have to say this, yeah? If this had 10 grams of sugar, I wouldn't drink it.
Interesting, I have lilac in my yard. I'll try it. Really? And I'll eat it, do it. But I have white and navy blue.
But record it before you eat it. Navy blue. I have navy blue lilac in my yard. Hey, that's good. I would buy this for myself. Very refreshing. Summery, like a summer drink. Perfect. Like somewhere, you know, coffee time. Oh, coffee time, right? It's like when it gets warm, your wife will call you out for patio time.
Yeah, the terrace. Escape to the terrace, but with an ice cube. Awesome, God. I love this product so much. I haven't had it in so long.
For Ikea, produced in Poland. You know this has 43 grams of fat. Yeah, that's the vibe. That's what it's about.
But I would eat it? Yeah, go, I can.
It's gonna be cool. Oh yeah, top.
But the fat, oh wow.
But very good. For such a little sprinkle. For such a crispy little topping.
So sweet.
Crackly, fatty, oniony.
At first it's really fatty. That's how I felt.
But is it really like a real onion? Onion, palm oil, flour, salt?
Okay.
Oh, hey, listen, do you want to have almost an Ikea hot dog?
No, because you'll dip it in ketchup for me. Ketchup.
Mustard and that, and I think that's the essence of a hot dog. All right. Put some ketchup on it. Thank you, a little mustard. Well, the onion is great, but it's good. All that's missing is the bun and the sausage. Burnt a bit. Well, very good. I'll take it out. Twix.
Twix, how do they do it? They even have the same pattern?
It looks good. White chocolate, big wafer.
No way, how could I not try this?
Damn, it's so crunchy. All right, it's crunchy.
Something doesn't feel right to me.
In my opinion, it's good quality chocolate.
The chocolate is okay.
It's crunchy, like they wanted to put fudge inside.
Like that.
Hey, the one that tapes your mouth shut.
Offside, buddy, yeah. High fever.
These aren't bad pre-made ingredients like that tasteless chocolate cookie. The caramel tastes like fudge, the chocolate is good, and the wafer is incredibly crunchy.
Okay, I definitely put this one in the basket too.
Oh, but I'm curious. And?
I've got some competition, you know, because black feels more premium.
And mine are white. Yeah. I mean, when it comes to the price of this product, you'll be surprised. Wow, that's a thick one.
You prefer it?
From your category, it's a good product.
But I think I would prefer this one myself. I would prefer it.
Oh, this one is thinner and has more of these. This one has skin, bread, and some things, while that one has waza in it. The white one is better. Take more of the one you assume in this one because maybe next time you'll like it more, but I think the chances are slim.
A very good product.
Decent, but worse than Droga, yes.
Oh, milk. It tastes good.
Milk and oat drink. I really like it with coffee.
Are you pouring? And what if I don't like it?
You'll drink it with a sour face, right? Delicious. It tastes like milk, it tastes sweet, and it tastes like water from oat flakes.
Yeah, with oat flake water, exactly.
But I like it.
I don't like that taste, but it's so sweet. Yeah, they really masked that grassy taste. God knows what they put in there. Great. Yeah, it's delicious, really delicious. But will I buy it for myself? I doubt it, but my wife will drink it.
I like it too, so I'll buy it. I just went, now it's your turn.
Coffee rep. Coffee? Well, for coffee rep, so coffee repeat, so it's coffee and keywords. Great, I honestly like Leaf games, I'll tell you that. Wow, we can't, that will be playing Scrabble.
To play, draw a letter, 2 letters, and they have to be the beginning and end of a word.
First letter K and last letter U? You know, that came to my mind.
But it's heavy. Hey, it's just empty.
The rifle?
But as for the rifle, well, I wouldn't say that either. Shiku, let's try what they taste like.
Like a sponge cake, like a milk net.
So Marshall time. Marshall, yeah.
All right.
I like them a lot, that's right. No weird stuff. I always like them.
But I'd eat them.
Yeah, always more than necessary, you know?
I would serve half a pack.
Really? It's worth buying. The kids will have fun. They'll learn letters. Mine.
Push.
Bravo.
This is in Swedish?
All right, Krzysztof, would you buy it?
Yes.
I would buy it too.
Oh, as if it wasn't enough. Bread. But sliced bread. You're looking at it like they're walking next to the pizza.
No, those are wheat rusks. Like this, look.
Don't you think it's just a bread roll thrown inside? Oh, fuck.
Messed up. 7 grams of fat, nasty fat. Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Nothing. Why eat it then?
0 sex at all. As they say, asexual. Ew.
Yeah, no point talking. Not worth wasting my breath.
And why? Still in the bag.
No. In pairs, it has this prison vibe. It's pointless.
Dry jokes are called that for a reason. That's just what they are. And that's exactly how jokes look, yes.
That someone tells a joke and, you know,
What is this, right? It's just fat, yes.
you don't even know what that food is. We're not discussing this since it's not a product.
So.
No, that's the point. It's not a joke. We dislike solar panels. It's not good.
We like dry jokes now. I have elderberry, but it's not black elderberry. I only have orange flavor, which is just orange. Hey, do they have this in Sweden too?
And what's bought in Poland?
So do they have to meet our requirements? No, let's not drink too much. It's got a Fanta vibe, don't you feel it?
Very good. But it's artificial. Actually, the stadium soda is crap.
Oh no, not even at the beginning.
Water, inverted sugar syrup, carbon dioxide. The end.
You just finished. I thought you were speaking in 2 languages.
But to the skin.
I'll tell you this. It gives me a Fanta vibe, but it's like Fanta that's gone flat and has been sitting for 3 days. I like it, but some people won't drink it.
What's better? Fanta or this? Fanta? Of course, it's better. Weak product.
I wouldn't buy it. And there's jam behind the glass.
Orange and elderberry paste, organic.
Paste? Wow, is that what they call jam? Yes. This would go well with bread. Let's get a bowl. My dye is healthy.
What a surprise. This elderberry is like honey. What a delicious product.
So sweet.
Yeah, it's so sweet. But it's a good product.
This is good. But for me, you know, I have a sweet tooth. But this is too sweet for me.
I don't like honey. This tastes way too much like honey.
I don't like honey either.
No, I don't. But I appreciate that orange peel and suddenly that flavor comes in. Well, I'm buying it. No one can tell me not to buy this. Tasty.
But here there's elderflower.
There's elderflower here? Yes, but it's too sweet. Cuck for the throat. Come on. He agreed to the roast.
I heard that bees do it on the stamens when they fly and do that.
So all of them.
They collect all the nectar around to make honey with it.
Hey, at first I was excited, but then I took one spoonful too many, and now it's too sweet for me.
What? You can feel it in your throat and everywhere? Gummies? Oh, great, but they're so hard. Cola flavor, I love it. And here, look, pink ones and hearts, I agree.
What, strawberry ones?
Berry flavor, so berry?
Yes. Oh, damn, what is this? Yes. Hey, because that's a Viking. But it's good. I love the mix. I love it when candy is cola flavored, but so sour it makes your face twist. This is sour cola. It burns a lot. Very good.
But the only downside is that it really makes my mouth do this.
It's not like Haribo. Haribo has gluten. This one is hard.
But it's good. Bravo.
And look, Barry, there are two.
Why are they black and red? I don't know. Tasty. Could it be? Black currant, right?
Got it.
Me. You're bothering and there's food.
This one didn't do it for me at all. It reminds me of alcohol, but I haven't had a drink in a long time. I wouldn't buy it. Bad luck. It was bitter, and now you have 30% cocoa.
Only? Yeah. I still have a big mouthful. Wait. Oh.
Tiny.
I like it. I love it. I'm trying this one.
I'll tell you this, I really like the taste. Maybe a bit more for the second one, but I'm a fan of any kind of chocolate, probably every kind. I really like this Santa. It tastes just like that Santa.
Is this that scary chocolate?
But I don't want to suck on it. You just have to eat it now. Are you sucking on it?
Yes. Oh, and do you know where else this chocolate ends up? In advent calendars. Ah.
That's why, yes, Kuzishek, but that's the point. This is chocolate from an advent calendar.
Yes, I would. Okay.
I wouldn't go downstairs to the store just to get it. It's just regular chocolate.
No. It's like you say with crayfish. Without crayfish, it's still fish, right? Yes. Well.
So just so you get the context, this chocolate is kind of a better than nothing option too.
No, you know it's crayfish maybe, but I don't know.
Tell me how.
It's basically a better than nothing situation. When there are no fish, even a crayfish is a fish.
Do you remember today's shoot? Then go ahead and name your 3 that you would just buy.
Damn, I'd pick a lot. They're simple but everyday ones, so I could just put them in my basket. I'd take cola gummies because I like them and I haven't had them in a long time and I really enjoyed them. Onion and alphabet ones too. And also that twig for me, but no, actually not, no.
If I had to, onion would be in first place. I'd take those drinks for a summer chill, low sugar, different taste, chilled, just like you said. With cola, put it aside, it was okay. I'll add that cola to it, and that's what I would just take. But if I were to take something else, since I'm already there, I'd take it, but I wouldn't use it up in a year. And those letters are completely fine, nothing special, but I'd take them to make words, just for fun, something like that. Dude, the sugar killed us. I feel like I need to go lie down and sleep. Watch the previous episodes and what are Christian and I going to do? Pops, right?
Of course.
Wow, that's lovely. Good night.
Bye, thank you for today.
I'm going to bed.
It was too sweet.